What if your investments could reflect not only your financial goals but also ethical values? The National Stock Exchange has launched the Nifty 500 Ahimsa Index, an ethical benchmark designed for investors who want to avoid companies whose businesses intentionally harm animals. But what exactly is this index? Which companies made the cut? And why are several well-known names missing? NSE Indices launched the Nifty 500 Ahimsa Index on 10 July. The index tracks companies from the Nifty 500 universe whose businesses align with the principle of ahimsa or non-violence. The idea is simple. If a company's core business intentionally involves harming animals, it does not qualify. According to NSE Indices, the benchmark is meant for investors looking for ethical investment opportunities that also consider animal welfare while building portfolios. So how does NSE decide who qualifies? NSE Indices built this benchmark with the Ahimsa Gain Foundation, using its screening tool, the Ahimsa Investment Movement Framework. The framework evaluates listed companies based on their products, services, and business practices. Each company is placed into one of three categories: green, orange, or red. Only companies in the green category are eligible for inclusion. Eligible companies are then weighted according to their free float market capitalization, just like many other market indices. The index currently includes 326 stocks. Sector-wise, the biggest one is automobiles and auto components, making up 13.05% of the index. Capital goods follow at 12.2%, then information technology at 11.8%, and financial services at 10.35%. The largest constituents by weight include Bharti Airtel at 6.01%, Infosys follows at 3.7%, then Mahindra & Mahindra, Tata Consultancy Services, and Maruti Suzuki round out the top 5. The benchmark has a base date of 1st April 2016 with a base value of 1000 and will be reviewed twice every year in March and September. Now the index leaves out most Reliance Group companies except Reliance Power, pharmaceutical firms that use animal testing, businesses involved in dairy, meat, poultry, and leather, many fashion brands, retail chains, and cosmetics companies, all commercial banks, and several major NBFCs based on the framework's assessment of their business exposure. The launch comes just weeks after the BSE introduced the Satvik 100 Index, another benchmark focused on ethical investing. It signals that for a growing section of investors, values are becoming part of the decision-making process too. NSE believes the Ahimsa Index could eventually become the foundation for products like ETFs, index funds, and other passive investment options. Fund managers say investment products based on the index will take time to emerge. But with more young, values-conscious investors entering the market, this could be the beginning of a new investing trend. Follow Business Standard for more stories.